waiting for. The elite category, third place goes to bib number. Shut off the camera.
What do you do? Cause I'm feeling so good.
Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. I'm Imad Seth and today I've come down to the BBCH ITT. Basically it's happening on the old Madras road and it's a 34-kilometer ride. My race start is at 8 o'clock but I came early so I could film some people starting off and also I have to get some stuff done on the bike. So yesterday was like a disaster for me. I had one puncture while I was putting my new tires onto the wheels. So I need to get that fixed. But for now, let's go film some people.
How?
What do you have to deal with yesterday?
Benny trying to get me smashed. Wait, is this on video?
Yeah.
Benny, if you do show up, thanks for trying to get me smashed. However, I survived. I'm sober. 6:45. I'm up here. Benny.
Hot bike spotted. Which bike is this?
Canyon Speedmax CF.
Oh, very cool. So right now all the amateur guys are still warming up and then the race is going to start by 7. It's around 6:50 something right now. Another few minutes and the amateur guys will start. I'm waiting for Leander to come as he's getting my tube and he's my saver today. Hopefully everything will be good. Rajiv! All set?
All as set as I can be. Just getting ready now. We're going for warm-up.
I am all ready and set up for the ride. Got TT helmet, carbon wheels. Now just going to be warming up and then going to go to the start race and just do all I can. Any guesses of what my power goals are and also like any guesses on what my timing is going to be, do comment down below.
We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. All the best.
Moments later.
Just done with my effort. I don't know what time I did but average speed of 44. So any guesses of what my power number was, please do comment down below. I will tell you the power data in the next video. But for now, I'm just going to go meet out with people, see what they have done. Yellow. How was yours?
Good, bro.
Speed?
Not too bad. 44.
Nice. How was yours?
Mine was.
Oh.
He doesn't want to leave the camera.
I know.
How was your time?
Mine was good. I was racing after a really long time, so I was expecting very high, strong winds, and I was really happy that I didn't get them.
Okay.
And
Happy.
did you beat? Did you beat your time?
I did. My coach had set a time for me, and it has been beaten.
Okay.
Can't breathe out.
It was good. New PB 54.11.
54. Average speed 40. No.
35.6 average. So definitely a better one.
How was yours?
Good.
Huh?
PB.
What's your time? Any idea?
28.
And speed? 38.
38.2 or 3 something.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah.
Naveen. Hello. How was it, bro? Time? Any idea?
40 to change. 40 to 30.
40 to 30. It's really good. Hello. You took part today, right?
No, I didn't.
How come?
I am just recovering from a piriformis injury.
Oh, okay, fine. So you didn't take part today?
Nah, man, doing my base training, so
Oh, okay.
get back in March.
That's pretty nice.
Gotta lose some more weight.
For me.
You are a different altogether.
Arrow, bro. Niranjan! After years.
How was it?
How was yours? You tell me that first.
Mine went decent.
Haha.
Time to 48.
48. Pretty good.
How was yours?
It's good, it's good.
Nice.
How was it? How was it?
First ever ride, 1 hour something.
How was it, bro?
It's good, bro.
It's good, good. What is your time like?
55.
And yours?
52.
Oh, nice. Timing? Any idea?
43, I guess.
Oh, okay. And speed, power.
Speed would be like 46.
Wow, mental.
How was it?
Good. Yeah, no, Ajay, how are you? Long time. You took part today? Took part today?
After 3.
3 years. You're racing today after 3 years. Wow. How was yours? How was yours?
I'm happy. I mean, could have been better, but
Yeah. How was yours?
Oh, mine was, I don't know, I messed up my Garmin, so I don't know my time. It's a surprise. It better not be a shock.
Yeah, that won't be there.
Ah, you think so? Okay. That's okay.
Yeah, that's very good.
A few moments later.
This is the under 18. We'll start with bib number 404, Pranshu, with a timing of 57 minutes and 3 seconds. Second place goes to bib number 405, Rudra, with a timing of 56 minutes and 50 seconds. Top step goes to bib number 402, Dev Jagdish. Congratulations. With a timing of 52 minutes and 54 seconds. Move on to the women category. Number 607, Kavita Rao. With a timing of 1 hour 5 minutes. And we hear that she's racing for the first time. Second place goes to bib number 606, Honorine, with a timing of 1 hour and 31 seconds left. First place goes to bib number 614, Tim Sharma. Congratulations. The timing of 59 minutes and 5 seconds. Good idea to see this, yeah. 47 minutes, 16 seconds. First place goes to Heming. Timing of 36 minutes and 52 seconds. He's donating the bike. Oh, cool. Give me. Okay. Just get it. The elite category, third place goes to bib number. Turn off the camera. 45 minutes and 4 seconds. Well done. Second place goes to bib number 222, GT Gagan from Spectrum Racing. Gagan. 43 minutes and 47 seconds. First place goes to bib number 223, Naveen Raj. With a timing of 42 minutes and 30 seconds. Is it recording? The BBCS team to give away this award, please.
Bro, how do you feel? I don't know, I was surprised. So,
Picture, please.
yeah.
Last call.
Same mode. Leander was like going to come third.
I'm after you, boy.
All the winners won.
Just done with the whole BBCH ITT first race of this year. Really happy. I was standing there recording, didn't even expect this, but I finished third. And yeah, with a timing of 45:03. My power, you can guess what it can be. I'll put my link down to the Strava ride today morning. But my average speed is 44 point something. Really happy of that. And that brings to end today's vlog. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care, ride safe, cheers.